Hey everyone, this is Tal from Aimerce. I'm here to help you get onboarded onto our app. And once you install, you're going to see this onboarding page, and we're going to go ahead and press Add to Chrome on this new Chrome extension we developed, both as an email marketing assistant in Klaviyo, but also to help you onboard onto the app. So I'm going to press Add Extension in Chrome. And once we get there, we're going to see it up here. I like to right click on it, press when you click extension. It's going to reload the site. And I also like to pin it, because we're going to be using it. So we're going to go ahead and press pin. So now when I go into Aimerce, we'll have it up here, and I'm just going to click on it to open it up. Oops. To reload the page first. Okay. Once you reload the page, you can click on it to open it up. And we can navigate on this or on here. I'm going to navigate here. I'm going to press get started. Step one is we're going to connect in Shopify. It's going to take us to our theme, right? And once it loads, we're going to see the app on the top left. We're going to press it on, and anytime you actually update your main theme, like change the production theme, it might turn it off, so you want to go in there and turn it on again. So I'm going to press save. Great, now that we've saved it, we're going to go back into Aimerce, and we're going to see that it completed that step, and we're going to press next, okay? Now, here's where we connect Klaviyo, and we'll see some helpers on the right that help us navigate these steps. So I'm going to press continue. So for step one, we're going to connect with Klaviyo. Once I do that, it'll take me to Klaviyo. I press allow. Take me back to Aimerce. It'll show that we connected. We are actually going to do step two for you. So for step three, we have some helpers, right? So the first one is that we're going to go, it's going to navigate us to Klaviyo, to the settings page, to the users page, and then we're going to add YichiW as a manager on the account. So you can click on it to copy and then paste it in here. And for the role, we're going to select manager, and we're going to do add user. And this is because we are going to actually clone your Klaviyo flows for you to unlock the 1-year tracking. I can press this button here to return back to Aimerce onboarding. Perfect. We're going to see, we're just going to press skip here because we're going to do step two for you. And now we're going to connect Aimerce with Meta. And if you notice here on step one, we want to get our Meta dataset and ID and our Meta Conversions API token. So we can actually use our helper here to take us to the right spot. This is going to take us to Meta's Events Manager, right? So we're at Events Manager and then Data Sources. On the top right, make sure you're on the right ad account. So the ad account that I'm using is this one. There sounds. I'm going to select the right pixel that I'm using on the website, right, which is this one. Perfect. And we're going to make sure, confirm, right? So we're going to go into settings. And here we'll find the pixel ID. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it in here. And I'll scroll down to Conversions API and press Generate Access Token. Once I do that, I'll click to copy it and paste it in here. Perfect. So now I'm going to return to Aimerce onboarding. And conveniently, we have these here that I can copy and paste, and then copy and paste and press submit. Now we're hooked up. Great. Once I've done that, step two is optional. It's just to test that everything was hooked up correctly. I don't think we need to do that. For step three, let's press connect here. And it's going to ask me to select the correct account. Nice. Save. Great. Once I've been authenticated, it'll take us back. Close the window. Great. And step four, and you'll see that here are my event manager parameters being loaded in. For step four, we can use the step four helpers. This is to add Aimerce as a partner for your business. So I'm going to click on that, and we're going to make sure we're on the right pixel, right? Once we do that, we'll go back into settings, and we're going to do share with the business here. We're going to make sure, again, that we're on the right pixel. We're going to press assign partners. And once we're there, we're going to go back into the other tab that we had open and copy the Aimerce business ID because it opened up this one in a new tab. I'll paste it in here in the partner business ID, and I can just select partial access. It's fine. We're going to press next. Doesn't matter what you put here. It's just a survey, and then accept it. And we're good to go. So once it completes that, we will now have access to monitor your pixel, which is great. Make sure if anything goes wrong. Okay, so we're going to press return back to Aimerce onboarding. We've actually completed all these except step 5. So for step 5, I'm going to open up this menu, press this button. This is going to take me to my Shopify store. Make sure you're on the right store, right? And we're actually going to go to the Facebook and Instagram sales channels. You press sales channel and search for it. So I'm going to click on Facebook and Instagram and press settings. okay? And then here you're actually gonna see a shared data option. What we're gonna do is press change. Because we are a server-side tracking tool, we don't want the client side, we don't want Shopify to be sending data back to Meta Ads Manager. So I'm gonna change that. Once you authenticate, you're actually just gonna turn it off altogether. So Aimerce will be the one sending data, not Shopify. We're gonna press save. And yeah, once we've turned it off, then we can return back to Aimerce onboarding on step 5. And we're actually done with Meta, which is great. Okay, press skip again. We're gonna go to Google Ads Setup. This one is really straightforward. Step 1 is just to connect with Google Ads. It's gonna have you authenticate. Okay, and then for Google Ads settings, we're gonna use step 2 to help us out. We just need to turn on this one setting in Google Ads. Okay, we're gonna press enhanced conversions for leads. So right now we're in goals and then settings, enhanced conversions for leads. I'm gonna turn it on and select the first option, Google tag. I'm gonna press save. Perfect. For step 3, we're gonna copy our Google Ad account ID, which is actually here. So just copy that, paste it, and we're gonna press return to Aimerce onboarding, Google Ad settings, and I'm gonna paste this in the customer ID. And what this is going to do is it's going to send a secondary purchase conversion action, which will basically be collecting data and not doing anything with it. And after 30 days, once we see which one is performing better, if our secondary purchase conversion action is outperforming the first one, we're going to turn it on and replace it. Okay, save, and you're done. You can skip to the dashboard and start to see your Klaviyo dashboard and your Meta EMQ dashboard start to populate. Sweet, thank you.